Hi, in this video I want to demonstrate how we fix active area for table of content in Elementor. To realize that is demonstrate correct area, because for example we read the second item but it's active the third one already, and for example if we read the third one it's visible the fifth and it's already active. And my logic is in usually in to H2 or different text it's automatically add like anchors, and my logic is in move down a little bit for fixing this problem. And if you're interested in it, you want to know how to fix it, I will demonstrate right now. My idea is moving this anchor down on 50%, and only the 50% of our screen is active. And what we need to do only one thing. We go to template or page where you have it, and we need to add two global parameters to page, like one CSS element that we go to, for example, global to page, to post template. For example, I created post template for all posts. I go to post template and add to global CSS style. What I add to our anchor style. What we need to do? We need to do position absolute, realize margin top 50 VH for moving bottom on 50%, that the first item will be here, and scroll margin top, it is for 50%, 50 pixels from top for header, not cover title. In our case it can be, for example, 80. Let's publish, and so let's see what we will get in the result. We reload, and the first item it's already visible, second one, but it's not active. Active will be where it will be here a little, yeah, here, great. And for example we read the third one, great. And for example we read the first one here, and 5 it's not already yet, it's only here already, yeah. So, and I have it's very interesting point, yeah, and it's really great scrolling. Of course here is a lot of not much text here and it's jumping, but regarding it, yeah, for example here it's third one visible but not active. And from backend side, let's check that our it's not demonstrate, but this one it's a little bit lower than usual, yeah, but never mind. I like this solution. I realized it for one of my clients because it was a little bit a problem, and yeah, I think it's a great solution. Let me know if you need create an article for it, because I create article for my video with detailed instruction how to do it, but it's very straightforward. Of course I will keep this content, this part in description to this video. And yeah, if this video very helpful for you, click like, subscribe to the channel. On this channel I will demonstrate how to fix some problem or how to do something very interesting, because it's our usual dev life, this problem and how to fix it. See you in next video.